Hello, good morning, students. Today we will discuss conversion of data. Actually, so far, whatever data you faced having two columns, class and frequency, means whatever we required that is already given so far. But sometimes what happen, that data is given, but it is not of class and frequency. So I am giving you specimen like this. You can look at this data. Okay, that is from textbook exercise 14.3 question number 3. What is given? There is a age given and number of persons given. But class you cannot see here. In first column no classes are given. But something else given. What is given there? So below or less than means less than 20 is years whose age is less than 20 years, those persons are 2. Persons whose age is less than 25 is 6. Same way, less than 30 years, these types of persons are 24. Okay, so actually, what is the meaning of this data? So, this is a cumulative frequency distribution. Whatever we required, that is frequency distribution, and given here is cumulative frequency distribution. Okay, so first of all we have to prepare class from whatever given in first column. Okay, and then we have to prepare column of frequency. Whatever you can see here under the number of person, that is not frequency, that is cumulative frequency. Why cumulative frequency? Because below 22 persons are there, below 25 6% are there, means age group first is already included in second one also, in first two groups are already included in third class also or third row also, in first three rows or first three groups are already included in fourth one. Okay, so frequency is already added up, means that is a cumulative frequency. So whatever we required, either class or frequency, nothing is given here directly. Okay, so we have to prepare class and frequency both. Then and then only we go ahead and find whatever asked, either mean, median, mode. Then it will be same whatever we discussed so far. Okay, but main thing here what we are discussing now, that is how to convert this data into required data, means in frequency distribution from given cumulative frequency distribution. Okay, so first of all we have to decide that whatever given here in first column 20, 25, 30, 35, that is a which boundary, lower boundary or upper boundary? Obviously, if below word or less than word is given there, then that is a upper boundary. Then and then only we can use below or less than word, otherwise we cannot use that word. Okay, so whatever you can see here is a upper boundary. Next question is how to prepare column of frequency. So you know how to prepare column of cumulative frequency from frequency by adding frequencies. Now reverse process is here. Cumulative frequency given, we have to find frequency. So we have to take difference of two consecutive cumulative frequency, just like 2 and 6, 6 and 24, like this. Okay, so that is the main our topic. After converting this into regular data, means frequency distribution, then nothing is new. Either you are asked to find mean, median or mode, that everything you know, but that is the first step is new. Okay, so today we will discuss about this only. Okay, so we go in reverse way. This is the rule or important point you have to remember. First of all, there are two types of cumulative frequency distribution. I just given you that was a less than type of. Okay, another one is more than type of also, frequency distribution can be given. Okay, so two types, less than or below type, more than or above type, both are synonym. Less than means below, more than means above. Okay, now what to do in less than type CF distribution? What you have to remember, how you can find column of class as well as frequency. So whatever given in first row or column means row or column means if data is given horizontally then row, if data is given vertically then it is column. Okay, so whatever first thing is, that is upper boundary. Whatever given first thing, first row or first column is upper boundary. Why? Because less than or below word is used there. Okay, so keep in mind, if less than then upper boundary, and opposite to that, if more than is given, above is given, then lower boundary. Okay, so keep in mind upper boundary is given. Okay, next, whatever given in second row or column is less than type of CFI. Always you have to consider whatever given in second row or column in this type of data is never frequency, is always cumulative frequency. Okay, so you have to find frequency from given cumulative frequencies. Okay, so how to convert? So frequency column is found by taking difference of two consecutive CFI from smaller to bigger end. Smaller to bigger end means sometimes it is in increasing order, sometimes in decreasing order. So we have to start from smaller end. And we have to complete boundary also, lower boundary. If here upper boundary is given, then you can write opposite lower boundary. Okay, now if data is more than type CF distribution means cumulative frequency distribution, then what? So you will have lower boundary and more than type CFI given, because more than what is given or above what is given, then whatever provided to you is lower boundary. Okay, and frequency, cumulative frequency is second type of more than type CFI. Okay, in finding median we have found already CFI column that was less than type CFI. Why? Because we start from first row. Okay, so that is called less than type CFI. So far you never came across more than type CFI. Okay, so same process, whether it is given less than type or more than type, how to find class and how to find frequency, same process only. Okay, only small difference is there. Okay, now frequency distribution must have two columns, class and frequency. You can notice so far we have solved many questions regarding mean, median and mode. All tables having two rows, class and frequency. If we are not given class, not frequency, then that data is not useful for us. Okay, here that out of these two nothing is given. Okay, that's why we are converting this data into our required data. Okay, so now we go to our that data only again. Okay, so again we start from this one. Here actually median is asked, question from textbook. Okay, that is a age and number of person or policy holders are given already, and median is asked there. Okay, but before finding median, our main purpose here is to find column of class and column of frequency. So how to find? Okay, that is question only. Now solution. First of all, whatever given here in question is written in upper boundary. That you have to remember. If you mixed up that, then obviously it will be wrong. Okay, so again I repeat it, less than type upper boundary, more than type lower boundary. Okay, so here less than or below word is used, that's why 20, 25, 30, 35 whole column is written in upper boundary. Now after finishing upper boundary, you can easily complete lower boundary. That is very simple, because first class ends at 20, then obviously second class start from 20. If second class ends at 25, then third class starts from 25. Okay, so this way you can find lower boundary. So making class column is very simple. You have to remember only one thing, given data is placed at lower or upper boundary. Okay, that you have to remember. Okay, now CFI is copied here. Actually that is not needed, but if we have CFI column here only, then we can easily subtract or take difference of consecutive two number. That's why CFI is written. Okay, so CFI from question only copied in second column. If you don't want to write here, then no need to write it again. Okay, but if you write, then it will be beneficial. Okay, so now that is 2, 6, 24, 45, 78, everything is copied. Okay, now how to find frequency? First of all, at lower end, put one extra zero. Okay, so I have written above 2, 1 0 is written there. Okay, now take difference of two consecutive numbers. So first of all, 2 and 0's difference is taken, 6 and 2 difference is taken. Okay, so 2 minus 0 2, then 6 minus 2 4, 24 minus 6 18, 45 minus 24 21, 78 minus 45 33, 81 minus 78 11, 92 minus 81 3, 98 minus 92 6, 100 minus 98 2. Okay, so you have to take difference of consecutive two numbers, two cumulative frequency. Actually first one is written directly, whether you write 2 minus 0 2 or directly 2. Okay, that is meaningless here. Okay, so smaller number is the Fi only. So CFI or Fi both are equal here for smaller number. Okay, okay, so frequencies column is already prepared. You can notice or observe here how it is found by taking difference of two consecutive numbers. First is written directly, then two numbers difference is taken. Okay, so whatever we require, class column and frequency column both are ready now. Now if you want to find mean, median or mode, you can find anything. That is new here. Here they have asked median, so we will find median. You remember, for finding median, third column is required, that is of CFI column. Actually, here we have written CFI column for finding Fi, but it is indirectly useful here. Why? Because CFI column is required in finding mean. Okay, so that is useful here. Okay, so no need to write it again or find it again CFI column. Okay, so here CFI column is beneficial to us. Okay, so okay, now you know. Yes, in yesterday's lecture we discussed how to find median of continuous frequency distribution. Okay, for that first of all we have to locate median class. For locating median class we have to find n by 2. Here n is 100. Okay, because biggest CFI is 100. Okay, so n equal to 100, so n by 2 equal to 50. Now for locating median class, look at the CFI column whether 50 is visible or not. Now you can observe here 50 is not visible there, not seen there, but it is between 45 and 78 in CFI column. Okay, I marked there one brackets. So it is between 45 and 78. So out of these two rows, second row is our median class. Okay, so median class is identified 35 to 40. Okay, now you have to prepare list. Most of data comes from row of median class. Only CF will come from preceding class. Okay, so now concentrate on that row 35 to 40. So L is equal to 35, F equal to 33, class size is 5. Okay, and CF is 45, not 78. Why? Because according to rule, CF is taken from previous class. Okay, so it is taken from previous. So list is ready here. Okay, now you know formula of median. So formula is written, all values are placed. Okay, then simplification is done, whatever cutting done there, then multiplication, then second term is converted into decimal form and added to first term. Here also, like another videos, we not included first term in calculation. Okay, only simplified second term and then added to first term. So answer we got is 37.27. Okay, that you already know. Only new thing we again repeat, how to find required two columns, class column and frequency column. Out of these two, no one is given. Okay, so first of all, from word given, you have to decide whether it is lower boundary or upper boundary. If below word is there, it is upper boundary. If above word is there, that is a lower boundary. So accordingly, you can write down another boundary and you can easily prepare column of class. Now how to prepare column of frequency? For preparing column of frequency, smallest number is taken directly, then take difference of two consecutive numbers, two consecutive CFI. Okay, so after taking all difference, frequencies column is also ready. Okay, now according to question, whatever is asked, you can find it. Okay, only these two things are new here. Okay, now our next topic is, if it is instead of below or less than type, if you are given above or more than type of cumulative frequency distribution, then how to convert it into required frequency distribution? So this is our second question. Here also median is asked. It is not necessary to always median is asked. Mean and mode also can be asked. Okay. Okay. Now you look here, marks and number of students given, but not 0, 10, 20 like this. It is not discrete frequency distribution. It is continuous, because if only 0, 10, 20, 30 like given, then it is discrete. Okay, whatever we discussed in our first lecture. But now above, below, what is there? So obviously it is cumulative frequency distribution. Okay, so here above what is there? Only difference is here. Another difference you can mark is here, numbers in second column are in decreasing order. In first one, they are in increasing order. This is our first data. You can look at number of persons means CFI column. It is in increasing order. Now whatever you looking, that is in decreasing order. Okay. Okay. Now how to find class and cumulative frequency? Most of rules are same only, but this process is quite opposite. Why? Because in previous one, we have considered all given number in first column as upper boundary. Here we have to consider this given number as a lower boundary. Why? Because above word is used. Okay. So here 0, 10, 20 up to 90, all numbers are written as a lower boundary. Okay, in left side. Okay, so right side automatically prepared. If second class start from 10, then we have to finish our first class is 10. If third start from 20, then we have to finish second at 20 only. Okay, so you can easily write it. So column is prepared this way. But remember, don't mix up both rules. When it is lower boundary and when it is upper boundary. So keep in mind these two things: below upper boundary, above lower boundary. Below upper boundary, above lower boundary. Okay, you can write anywhere also in your textbook, your notebook. Okay, so that you cannot forget it. Okay, now again I have copied or written that CFI. Okay, so CFI is copied here. Actually that is not needed here, but for our convenience. Okay, now CFI is written and one extra 0 put at lower line 0. That is not compulsory. Okay. Okay, now how to find a FI column? You have to always start from smaller or least end. So here smaller end at last one, 5. So start from that one. Okay, so first one 5 write down as it is, otherwise 5 minus 0 5. Okay, in previous sum also we have written smallest number as it is. Here also we will write smallest CFI as it is only. So 5 is a CFI or FI, both same. Okay, otherwise 5 minus 0 5. Now take difference of two consecutive numbers. Okay, so that is found 12 minus 5, 20 minus 12, 30 minus 20, 45 minus 30. Okay, 55 minus 45, 62 minus 55, 70 minus 62, 76 minus 70, 80 minus 76. Okay, so frequency column is found only, and that is 4, 6, 8, 7, 10, 15, 10, 8, 7, 5. Just like previous one, but here we go in reverse direction from down to up. In previous one we go up to down. Okay, now again CFI column is there, you can see. Why? Because we want to find median. For finding median, CFI column is required, but that CFI column must be less than type, means numbers of frequencies are added from first to last, not in reverse order. Okay, so whatever given CFI, it is not useful here. In previous one it is used again, here it is not useful. Okay, so in second column whatever you observe CFI, that is more than type CFI. In last column, fourth column, what you see CFI, that is a less than type CFI, that is here used. Okay, so don't use that CFI. So that is found again by adding frequencies turn by turn. So first of all 4, then 4 plus 6 10, then 10 plus 8 18, then 18 plus 7 25, 25 plus 10 35, 35 plus 15 50, 50 plus 10 60, 60 plus 8 68, 7 plus 75, sorry 68 plus 7 75, and 75 plus 5 80. Okay, so that is added here this way only, like this. First one is 4, so 4 is added to 6, then it will become 10. 10 is added to 8, it will become to 18. 18 is added to 7, 7 is become to 25, like the 25 plus 10 35, 35 plus 15 50, 50 plus 10 60, 60 plus 8 68, 68 plus 7 75, 75 plus 5 80. Okay, and how we found frequency, that also we can look here. First of all 5 is written only, whatever given here 5, that is written only directly. Okay, then difference of consecutive to 12 minus 5, so it is written 7, then 20 minus 12, so it is 8. Okay, so two consecutive numbers difference is taken there. Okay, now everything is just like previous one, or usual median sums. Okay, now nothing is new, but again remember one thing, we have to prepare here again CFI column. Why? Because data is above type, more than type, so less than type CFI we have to prepare, that is given is not required one. Okay, now n is 80. Why? Because total is 80 is there, because maximum CFI is 80. Okay, so n by 2 40. Now look at CFI column, whether 40 is visible there or not. Okay, so 40 cannot be seen everywhere, anywhere, but it is between 35 and 50. Okay, between 35 and 50. So it is here 35 to 50. So out of these two numbers, next one is selected, so this one is selected, so it is 50 to 60, so that is our median class. Okay, if you can see here 50 directly, then that row only, suppose our n by 2 was 35, suppose our n by 2 was 35, then we can write directly 40 to 50 is our median class. But here it is not visible in CFI column, but between these two numbers, so out of these two row, next row is always taken as median class. Okay. Now L 50, F means frequency of that class 15, CF 35 because previous CF. Okay, don't make mistake to take from here only, not 55. Okay, now overlap this one. Okay, because that CFI is not useful here. Now that is already useless to keep this one. Okay, so this is not used anyway. Okay, remove this one temporary or overlap this columns. Okay, this is not useful at all. Now look at this CFI only. Okay, so list is already prepared. CF is taken 35. Why? You know, class size is of 10. Okay, so everything from median class row, but only CF is from previous row. Okay, now formula is written, all values are placed. Okay, 40 minus 35, 5 upon 15 there. Okay, so it is 1 by 3 means 10 by 3 after all. So 10 by 3 is converted into decimal form and added to first term. So 50 plus 3.3, 33, answer is 53.33. Okay, so here again we repeat our method of finding median also, but our main purpose is not to learn here how to find median, but our main concentration is how to convert given cumulative frequency distribution to required frequency distribution, because after getting class and frequencies column only we can find mean, median or mode. Okay, we cannot find it directly. Okay, so that is our interest topic now, to convert given data to required data. Okay, uh, only one sum is given in text. You can practice more sums. Okay, and today I will provide you few sums of this type only. Thank you.